Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, and in fact this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to. So if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. So you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Now hold your breath. This is the Stockholm30 index. That's the peak in 2000. Look what happened. That's an ABCDE triangle, perfectly clear ending right here. There is not much discussion. It looks like a triangle. What can I say? Look in all the various books. Triangle. That's a triangle. It just ended here. This is only half the surprise. The big surprise, or what really completely floored me, is what happened here. I don't know how many of you remember that I covered this market a few months ago, and I was actually under the impression that we are going into a bearish setup here, that it will fail to rally above this level, and it is struggling because we have in fact an A, and that's part of a complex B, and we were looking for the C down towards this level. In fact, the very message that this market is sending now is that this is out. Forget it. Absolutely forget it. Put it out of your mind. That's not going to happen. What happened here in Sweden is telling us that we are in a rally that is likely to be with us for a long time, for at least another 2-3 years, and this rally is for the record books. And I am wondering if this is not the leader in Europe that is telling us, look up, more is coming for all of Europe. The €1 trillion that Mr. Draghi and his comrades are pouring into the European economy is going to this huge, vast amount of money is going to find its way to the stock markets all over Europe, and this message is incredibly bullish. What I see right now. Let me take you step by step here to the weekly and try to make sense of what's happening here. Our triangle ended here. We take this as 1, that's 2, ABC clear, smash through the level here. And that was the moment that it appears that we are really in a third wave. We are in a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 3-4, 3, ABC. And now the big, if you like, the big responsibility that this wave count got now is to see this market not letting us down, but bouncing back to the top here. And even if it's not ready to run straight higher, it gets stuck here. That's already in itself very, very bullish. It tells us, it confirms my wave count. By the way, this wave count looks very powerful. It looks very, very convincing. All I can tell you is that it looks very convincing. This setup here looks very much like a 1-2-1-2. Okay, I would be very surprised if it breaks through the level here, and I would be turning bearish if it breaks under the level here. Okay, but I really do not expect this at all. And the structure for 1-2-1-2 with a 3-4 right here tells you that you have easily 2 years, at least 2 years rally ahead of you. Yes, it's not over. It's not over at all.